I want to thank the organizers of the conference and to congratulate the other award winners. I am honored to receive the award for 3D printing in medical and healthcare. In this arena of 3D printing, our goal is to print living cells to engineer replacement tissues and organs. Of course, there is still much to accomplish. Some of our specific challenges include improving printing resolution and keeping the printed tissues alive until they can integrate with the body. The opportunities are almost limitless. An important aspect of success in this field is collaboration. This conference has tackled the huge task of bringing together participants in a variety of industries that use 3D printing so that we may learn from each other and move the field forward.
Today, Dr. Saurabh was shared with us about how they got inspired by the silkworm laying down their saliva in the form of silk, and that inspired them for tissue engineering. That was marvelous, I think, simulation and simile that you shared with us. So, your response, please.
Thank you so much. I am feeling really honored and humbled that they have recognized our work. But I am also feeling extremely motivated. Now we have to really do the hard work.
I thank Trinity Media and and Marketing Solutions for awarding us with this Innovation in Dental Services of the Year. We've been working in this particular area for more than 8 to 10 years, and I think the Trinity is taking the whole initiative in a much larger platform, right from bringing all the people who are working in this field together, at the same time trying to disseminate to more and more people, offering a better cooperation amongst the different service areas which are being offered. Thank you very much, Shibu, for offering this and creating this platform for all people associated with this technology. Thank you very much.
Much Shivu and your team for this honor. More important is the fact that you got us talking. There's a wide variety of collaboration that needs to be done, and you have given us a platform. We look forward to many more developments coming with you. Thanks a lot.